All right, bro. So, for that video, you asked me to show you some chord I played there. Okay, I actually played VAR chord, adding my kind of a seventh note there. Okay, like I was playing the key of E. Okay, so this is your do re mo. Okay, this is your do re mo re do. So when you are holding your VAR chord, you add the more. Okay, on the second string there. Okay, you add the more second string there. Okay, you add the more, just like playing because this is the key of A. This is the key of A. So you just like playing a A7 chord. Okay, just like play A7. Because this should be do in the key of that A. Because we will play do ti la. So this is do. Do ti do la sol la mi re do. Okay. So but this is va in the key of E. Okay. Okay, you add your do more there. That is the A7 chord. Okay. Then I push from. Okay, I pull on from that F to just like playing Re. Okay, just like playing Re. You get me now? Just like playing that I mean playing Re. So do. Okay, but I play it this way. When I played my VAR, okay, played my VAR, I add that more. I pull on to that Re, the same shape. I hold it the same shape instead of like this. I hold a kind of A flat, F sharp. Then I add the 7 there. That is F sharp 7. Okay, I'm sorry, that is F sharp 7. Yes, F sharp 7. But that is a kind of yeah. Here is my do now in that key of E. Okay, here is my do now in the key of E. So I'm only need a kind of a major chord shape. Then I add my do there. Okay, the chord should be like this. That is your Re chord. Okay, then I hold it the major way and add the do. That makes it sounds okay and different. That makes it sounds a jazzy way. You are a great God. You are God. You are a big God. I play like this. And I add. Okay. Okay. Slide from that first string to the Re. You are ready. That's all. Okay, so I believe you should understand that and work on it.